Yeah. Look at the collar. It's got a studded collar. Aren't you the studly stud? Yeah. Yeah, studded collar can hurt too. Them are real. They're real sharp. What are you doing? Why are you licking yourself somewhere? Eat your foot. I'm gonna eat my foot. I love eating my foot. It's so tasty. Oh, my tasty feet. Look at it. Puppy butt. Look at that tail. He's kissing Branson. Look at they love each other. Look at Branson. Now look at that. I can see his berries. How do I not show his berries? You stop kissing Branson. Ah!
Hello, everybody.
Hi. Today we are not on a diet. As you can see, I had a gift card for a local place called Ron's Barn. And they do it kind of cafeteria style. And I got 2 meats, country style steak and shrimp. There's hush puppies, homemade macaroni and cheese, rice and gravy. And you got?
4 chicken wings, shrimp, hush puppies, macaroni and cheese, and beans.
Yep, some baked beans. They put up a wax paper in there to kind of keep stuff from touching. A lot of juice from his beans and everything went all up under the food. So I just kind of ripped that.
Yeah, so we have to keep this here.
I was able to get mine out. I don't care if my shrimp's touching the country style steak. It looks so good. I wish I had some pepper for my macaroni and cheese.
All right.
They gave me several cocktail sauces. I love cocktail sauce with shrimp. I really do.
So what do you think about the wonderful food?
I'm sorry, I can't understand you with your mouth full.
Bad manners.
Well, we talk all the time doing a mukbang, or you wouldn't be able to do nothing. I'm talking all the time with food flying out of my mouth on this show.
Yeah. So what do you think about the food?
They have great food. I can't remember last time I had one of their country style steaks. Oh, excuse me. That's what I'm trying now.
These are kind of old. Or maybe they were made a little while ago.
They probably sweated real bad inside the container, which made them soft, you know? If they just scooped them up on a plate, if we ate it there, they'd probably be crunchier. That's probably what happened to them.
The shrimp is good. The shrimp doesn't even really have the form of a shrimp. They just look like a ball of shrimp meat. Is Ron Barnes a fast food place or not? I can't tell.
No. I mean...
You know what I noticed?
It's fast in the sense that it's cafeteria style, so it's made. It's already sitting there.
Now that I see the size of these wings, I remembered something. Whenever she was getting me my wings, she picked out the scrawniest ones and the weirdest looking ones, because every time she grabbed one meaty and real nice looking, she put it right back.
I thought she might have been doing the opposite, but I didn't pay attention too much.
No.
I thought she was trying to hook you up. I think Ron's Barn has a second location, and that's it. They're not all over the place. I wish I'd have meant to have brought the camera. I'd have showed the outside. It looks actually kind of like a barn. Inside the kind of foyer area, there's a bench, and they have old like farm equipment, different things, but only in there. It's not like Cracker Barrel all inside, just in the entrance.
Fried chicken's still good though, even though she got me the smallest ones. It's still good. We've been so healthy lately.
We are off a diet today. Not that we're really on a diet, but this is definitely the cheesiest, graviest, deep fried meal I've had.
In a little while.
Mm-hmm. I had the gift card. I'm not going to throw it away.
Just because we're on some diet. No.
No. I had to the no.
You know, I used to not really like Ron's Barns, and I always never wanted to go when my dad got a gift card because he'd get them all the time. But now I'm starting to like it because I'm eating it and I'm tasting the wonderfulness of it.
They do wonderful business.
There's one near you. Go.
One of the bad parts about it, though, is like, if you get out of church late and you roll up there, you can have almost a line going out the door of the place that you got to stand in because, again, it's cafeteria style. So, yeah. It pays to kind of either show up a little early or late.
Well, a lot of old people go there from church, and a lot of those people are coming from church. So you have a crowd of 200 in a line just waiting to get some food. I remember one day we were in a line for about an hour because we had a gift card. I think it was like way past lunch when we finally got food and sat down and ate. Because that day we got there way after the church crowd.
I haven't seen you eat shrimp in a long time. They have a lot of hush puppies.
I know, I'm happy. I love hush puppies.
One of the girls in the serving line, I told them when we were walking to the car, I was like, I was so glad no one replaced her because I was watching how she was putting the food on the plate. 5 times they had with the big spoon, they might just put like 1 scoop of shrimps. She was like doing 2 big ones. And one lady stepped out there a minute. I was like, oh no, please don't replace her.
What is...
They gave you the anorexic wings.
Yeah. Maybe she thought I should go on a diet.
There was a ton of wings there. In the bin, they were almost getting out of food. Like there wasn't too many wings or thighs or anything else. I didn't even notice any drumsticks. There's a bunch of wings. But all in all, you still got a lot of food.
I'm feeling like those ladies.
That means not your pants.
I'm feeling like those ladies thought I should go on a diet and they gave me this. Like, look at him. He should go on a diet.
Look at Branson's arm here. He didn't even see it. The puppy got him.
I don't know. Puppy dog, you need to stop cutting me.
Puppy plays rough. Well, we play rough with him. He plays rough back, don't he?
We'll have a puppy. And if you don't know who he is, his name is Taz, and he's super adorable. I wonder how messy my face is gonna be once I'm done.
I don't know.
My dad doesn't really like that I haven't been eating as much white meat lately. I've been eating more of the dark meat chicken.
He went over to the dark side. Well, on the bright side of things, if we go to KFC buffet, I don't have to worry about you clearing out all the chicken wings. You're going after the drumsticks.
I just dropped a bone. Where'd the bone go? Oh, there it is. I see it. It's under your foot.
Definitely don't want the puppy to get that.
It's a little bone. He could swallow it. Homemade tea.
Doing something I'd have told you not to do. I'm just awesome. Not eating over my plate. That's when the shrimp decided to bail on me.
So get me out of here. You're still not eating over your plate. You're just kind of eating like this. Real close.
We're a little tight, me and you. Leaning too far, you're going to elbow me.
No, but you need to look like a Chinese person, you know. Like when you see in the movies and stuff. Not saying that's how Chinese people eat. I'm just saying, like, when you see them in the movies, usually.
The rice, because with chopsticks, they have to kind of slide it forward.
She gave me one decently sized one. Yeah. Their breading is very good.
This is so much food. Let me see. Ron Barnes does fried chicken, killer barbecue, boiled shrimp.
They're very southern.
Fried shrimp, like big cuts of ham, like ham steaks, chicken and dumplings. The country style steak, of course, hush puppies, and then you can get like the rice, gravy, macaroni and cheese, green beans, baked beans, fried okra, French fries, like candy yams, plus several kind of desserts. That's most of what's on their bar. I could have left something out.
Did you leave out corn?
I didn't say corn.
I had corn, green beans, all that stuff. You didn't get me enough napkins. Did you even get chicken wings?
Nope, country style steak and shrimp.
So that's why you're not having to really use much napkins.
That's right. I've just been stabbing my shrimps.
You could stab everything. I have to pick most of it up.
After this, I'm going to change into a t-shirt, sweatpants, and I'm going to lay on the bed, turn on the TV, and go, oh. As if he lets me at the computer first so I can edit this video. He probably won't.
Nah.
You got to play balloons.
Balloons TD battles. Which there will be a series on it coming out on my YouTube channel.
After our last episode, he wouldn't let me at the computer for hours until he was about sick of playing the game. After, several hours in a row, then he's finally like, all right, you can have the computer.
Why is there this?
Was that a fried okra made it in there? Consider it.
I don't like fried okra.
It's like sometimes when you get French fries at the Sonic, you'll find like a stray tater tot or something. It jumped over and got in.
Not even cooked all the way through. They really wanted me to go on a diet. Look at that. That's so pitiful.
You're just looking so washed out. You're close. He's close to a window. And he's a white boy. I'm a little tanner than him, and I'm further away. You look really white, at least on the camera you do.
I'm a ghost. Both. Dead. I'm a ghost. Both. Woo! Woo!
I'm full. I have tons of hush puppies left. I can't eat all that shrimp and stuff. I really could have just had the one meat. You can get 1, 2, or 3 meats. Of course, price goes up. But I wanted some shrimp, but I wanted that country style steak. So I was like, I'm going to do both. Probably won't finish it all. Good old chicken wings. White meat.
I wish we could talk about politics, but if we said anything about anything, someone would yell at us.
It's so divisive right now. Why even do it? I'll talk about the politics of food.
YouTube politics. Everybody's talking about when they change their algorithms.
Food politics. Free range. No steroids. Yeah, this world's very PC right now. Anything I say is going to just about offend somebody. So let me just, before we end this episode, apologize to somebody.
Sorry.
I know one of the mukbangs I said, I was talking about the people that was in Burger King, and I said the manager was huge, and that person said they was, I got a comment saying the person was going to unsubscribe to us and never watch us again. I said, but the guy looked like Godzilla. He was like 6'8", 400 pound behemoth. It looked like he should have been a professional wrestler. They thought I meant fat. I didn't say fat. But things you say can get misconstrued, especially the written word. Because when I write something, a comment, you don't know if you might interpret was that done in an angry tone, or, it's just words. But sometimes you project your feelings onto it, and it might not be all that. Or you didn't take it the wrong way, or you took it the wrong way, whatever. I'll offend some people, and I'm sure I'm going to do it again in the future sometime. So, I apologize.
You at least offended 100 people this episode.
I'm really a pretty nice guy when I'm not being a bad guy. Right? Sometimes you even are a good kid. You're not being the best kid. You're the bestest, aren't you? What were you trying to do to me in the car? He was hitting on me. He was beating on me. Parent abuse going on. You didn't eat none of your beans, did you?
No.
You saw the veggies in it. There's a ham piece in it. It helps flavor it. Well, are we done? Are we going to sign off? Okay.
Muay Thai!
Let's sign off.
Cause I know. I want some more tea.
I'll get you some in a minute. Well, this was just a wonderful kind of
steak bread.
I know it's if I say it's Southern meal, people, in Maine is going to say, no, we eat the same exact stuff. But anyway, cliched Southern meal. It was good.
It's a very Southern place.
It was very good because it's full of Southerners. Southerners cooked it for Southerners. All right. And Northerners are welcome to come down and get some. But anyway.
I love Southern food and Chinese food.
This was just tasty. I enjoyed eating it with you. You're a good companion for a meal. If you ever want to eat with us, he's fun to eat with. Look at him. He makes you laugh the whole meal long. Okay, so subscribe. You want to have notifications when we make another video? Hit the like button. Smack it with your puppy. Unless you're a cat person. And then smack it with your kitty cat. And we're going to go do something else. So, on behalf of me and Branson.
My name is Bubba.
On behalf of me and Bubba. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Peace out.
Goodbye.
I'm going to throw this shrimp at you. Throw it into your mouth. Come on.
Bye.